GMAT test sections unveiled. Hey there! If you're planning to pursue an MBA or any business graduate program, you might have heard of the GMAT. Today, we'll dive deep into the different sections of the GMAT to give you a comprehensive overview. Understanding each section will not only boost your preparation but also your confidence as you tackle the test. The Graduate Management Admission Test, better known as the GMAT, is a standardized test that measures your verbal, mathematical, analytical, and writing skills. It's primarily used by business schools as a criterion for admission into graduate business programs. There are 4 main sections in the GMAT. A. Analytical Writing Assessment, AWA. In this section, you'll need to analyze an argument and critique it. You're not asked for your opinion, but rather to evaluate the reasoning behind the argument. B. Integrated Reasoning, IR. Here, you'll deal with a mix of multiple sources of information to solve complex problems. This can range from interpreting graphics to analyzing tables, ensuring you can process information to make sound decisions. C. Quantitative Reasoning. This is the math section. Don't worry, it focuses on basic math like algebra, arithmetic, and geometry. What's tested here is your ability to analyze data and draw conclusions. D. Verbal Reasoning. Last but not least, this section evaluates your English language skills. It covers reading comprehension, critical reasoning, and sentence correction. The aim here is to see how well you can read, understand, and analyze written material. Being familiar with each section helps you. 1. Tailor your study plan. 2. Know what areas you need to focus on more. 3. Manage your time efficiently during the test. 4. Reduce anxiety on test day, since there are no surprises. Understanding the GMAT test sections is your first step towards acing the test. Remember, preparation is the key. We hope this overview gives you clarity and direction in your GMAT journey. Best of luck, and keep learning.